Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can turn on the settings of map in your Power BI. So first of all, let's learn what do I mean by turning on the settings for the map. So I'm going to select this simple map, which is a filled map, and I'm just going to drag and zoom it. After that, I'm going to select my location column, which is region. I'm going to put it in location, and then you'd be able to see that it is turned off. So it is a pretty common problem that everyone faces. So let's learn how you can fix it. So you are going to go in file. After that, you are going to select options and settings, and then select options. After that, it is going to open up a pop-up like this. Here you are going to select security, scroll down, and then you are going to select this checkbox. Also for ArcGIS. ArcGIS also is a kind of map in Power BI, so you're just going to tick both of the boxes and then select OK. So now this will solve your problem, and now let's make the visual again. I'm going to select the field map again, zoom it out a bit, put the region column in location box again, and now we have our map visual ready. So now your map, simple map, your field map, and your ArcGIS map, you would be able to visualize all the locations for it. So this was it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.